Think about it for a second. How many hours a year do you spend stressing over due dates, digging out your checkbook, or anxiously refreshing a web page to see if a payment actually went through? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are tackling something that sits at the very top of almost everyone's monthly to-do list, but let's be honest, is rarely something anyone actually enjoys doing. Yep, managing utility bills. Specifically, we're going to look at mastering the Dominion Energy Autopay system. If you've ever felt that sudden, sinking panic of, wait, did I remember to pay the electric bill this month? You are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down the source materials and give you a practical, entirely stress-free tutorial on getting this automation set up so you can just cross it off your mental checklist for good. Seriously, think about the sheer amount of time and mental energy we spend just keeping track of due dates every single year. It's totally exhausting, right? So, want to dodge accidental late penalties and reclaim your time? That is the exact question we are answering today. The source materials we're analyzing consistently point out that remembering due dates doesn't just eat up your precious time, it actually exposes you to the risk of service interruptions or, completely unnecessary financial penalties. By implementing the Autopay solution with Dominion Energy, you can dramatically simplify your life and put all that time to much better use. And the real-world advantages of making this switch? They go far beyond just basic convenience. The direct documentation highlights that Autopay allows you to completely dodge those accidental late penalties we just talked about. But beyond that, it eliminates the need for writing paper checks. Remember those? It entirely bypasses the anxiety of mail delivery delays, too. You know exactly what I mean. When you mail a check on Monday, but it somehow doesn't arrive and process until a week past your due date. Setting this up provides a truly seamless monthly utility management experience. The peace of mind here is the absolute real feature. The automation? That's just the tool to get you there. All right, let's get into the step-by-step setup process for getting started. Okay, let's dive into the core action phase of our explainer. I promise you, even if you consider yourself a complete beginner when it comes to online account management, the pathway laid out in these documents is incredibly straightforward. But before you even start clicking buttons or filling out forms, you need to gather your tools. Kind of like a setup prerequisite checklist. First up, you'll need your Dominion Energy account number. You can find this super easily on any of your past paper statements or just by logging into your account if you already have one set up. Second, you need the details for your preferred funding source. So if you want to use your bank account, you absolutely must have your bank routing and account numbers handy. Finally, you just need internet access, or if you prefer the old school route, a physical mailbox. Having these three things ready to go will ensure your enrollment process is completely frictionless. Now, for the vast majority of you, the digital setup is going to be the absolute fastest route. And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates just how accessible the technology has become. Step 1, simply log into your Dominion Energy online account on your computer or just open up their official mobile app. Step 2, navigate your way over to the section labeled Billing and Payment Programs. Step 3, click or tap on Autopay Enrollment. And Step 4, select your funding source and input those numbers you gathered earlier. That is literally it. You read through the terms, hit submit, and the digital heavy lifting is completely done. It really is that easy. But hey, if you prefer dealing with paper, the sources do outline a physical mail-in alternative. For this, you'll need to get a hold of the Autopay Transfer Authorization Agreement. Fill it out with your details, and this is crucial, guys. Sign and date the document. Then you just mail it to their designated processing facility. Now, listen up, because here is a very important warning directly from the utilities documentation. Mailing a form takes time to process. You absolutely must continue to pay your bill manually until your monthly statement explicitly shows a message indicating that Autopay is active. Do not, I repeat, do not just mail the form and assume your next bill is covered, or you might end up with exactly one of those late penalties we are trying so hard to avoid. Next up, customizing your payment options and finding the right fit for you. Let's see how this builds on what we've learned so far. Automation is great, for sure, but customization is what makes it perfect for your specific household budget. You have some very distinct choices when configuring your account, and understanding the financial differences between them is absolutely vital. You basically have two main funding options. The first is the ACH, or bank draft method. This draws the funds directly from your checking or savings account, and there is absolutely zero service charge for this. None. It is completely free. The second option is using a credit or debit card. Now, while that might be convenient, the documentation clearly states that residential customers will incur a $1.65 convenience fee per transaction, which is processed through an authorized third-party vendor named Paymentus. So, if your goal is to save every possible penny, connecting your bank account directly via ACH is hands down the most cost-effective path. Now, here is a brilliant complementary feature mentioned in the billing options: budget billing. If you live in an area with sweltering summers and freezing winters, you already know your energy bills can swing wildly from month to month. Budget billing smooths out those seasonal highs by spreading your charges evenly based on a 12-month average. It's fantastic. When you combine budget billing with Autopay, you achieve highly predictable, automated monthly utility expenses. No more giant budget-busting surprise bills in August or January. Moving on to Section 3, Account Security and Privacy, and Protecting Your Data. Of course, anytime we talk about entering bank routing numbers or credit card details online, the conversation absolutely has to turn to security, right? How exactly does Dominion Energy handle your financial and personal data? Well, the source analysis highlights some very robust, top-tier security protocols, particularly if you're using the Dominion Energy mobile app. The app integrates directly with your device's native security, offering facial recognition and biometric or fingerprint logins. This means you don't have to rely on a flimsy, easily guessed password that could be compromised. Furthermore, as long as you are using the official Dominion Energy platforms, whether that's their verified website or their official mobile app, your transactions are securely processed. It's just a really great reminder to always ensure you are on the legitimate site before entering any of your data. Finally, Section 4, monitoring and adjusting your settings and staying in total control. Okay, so you've got it set up securely, but what happens next? We're moving into the final operational phase here. A super common fear with automation is that it's this set it and forget it trap where you somehow lose control of your own money. But the sources detail exactly how you maintain total oversight even after the automation is turned on. First off, you can set up eBill. This paperless billing option sends you email or text notifications before a payment is even drawn, so you are literally never caught off guard. When you look at your statement, you want to see the Autopay scheduled banner. That right there is your visual confirmation that the system is working perfectly. Now, if your financial situation changes, say you get a new bank account or a new credit card, you simply log in, go to the wallet or payment settings, and update your funding source. Just make sure to do it before your next due date. And finally, you have the ultimate control. You can cancel the service anytime you want, right there through the digital portal. To summarize the core value proposition of our explainer today, we look at this incredibly strong excerpt derived right from the text. Dodge accidental late penalties and the problems a missed payment can cause. Taking just 15 minutes today to gather your account numbers, log into the secure portal, and set up a direct bank draft can literally save you hours of administrative headache over the next year. Think of the real-life benefits here. No more scrambling to find a stamp, no more of those sinking feelings when you realize you missed a deadline, just a smooth system that works in the background. It is all about securing ultimate ease of mind and keeping your household running smoothly month after month. We'll wrap things up here with a quick but necessary reminder. This tutorial is based on the most current information available in the provided sources. However, as we all know, utility policies, vendor fees, and website layouts can and do evolve. We strongly encourage you to take action today and reclaim your time, but always remember to verify all specific procedures and terms directly at dominionenergy.com. Think about it. If just 15 minutes of setup today can buy back hours of your peace of mind this entire year, what other automated systems in your life are just waiting to be optimized?